Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video we're gonna play a little bit of Nerf Battle Arena. I'm currently level 25 and I have 1296 trophies. So we're gonna start with don't really what's there, but in the shop we got a free chest and nothing new, but now we can upgrade our Dorado blaster. I have also changed a bit of the abilities or the special cards. I have played a little bit of cam and I've won my first solo match or game, so we're gonna test. In today's video we're gonna play a little bit of solo. So I'm not very good at this game mode, but hope it's gonna go well and hope you guys gonna like it. So while we're waiting, I have a Discord server and it's gonna be linked down below. And I got a strategy or a plan or a tactic that I'm gonna go from the bulldog to the left always when I die. Because this is kinda good in the beginning. And our first energy drink, or what you gonna call it. Now we're gonna push this guy. Reload. Oh no, I missed that. Ability shot. Ah no! I was so stupid. Why did I even think? Now I got no power-ups. Oh my god, no. No, not again. Okay, this is my last life. I don't want to be with... Which place am I... Which... Oh, 7th. That's not good. So we're gonna play another game and hope it goes better than last time. And I'm trying to do every day, sort of, one to three videos. Now I like it. The quality is not that good, or the editing, but I hope you like it. And this is like I'm doing it sometimes. Oh no. Oh wait, now it's two of me. I tagged one. Yeah, I tagged another one. Reload and now. Oh, oh no, here's another one. I'm on fire. Good, I'm healing. I'm gonna take power up. Oh no, there's oh no, there's a minigun. Yeah, on fire. Now I'm gonna. Oh, it's only 3 people left. Oh no, I'm so low. Yes. Let's go! I won! Come on, first time in a video. Let's go. So yeah, do we have some rewards? Yeah, 80 coins. And 1 quest done. So 50 of that thingies. Do I have something here? No. Play 3 battles in Siege. And it's starting in 10 hours. So we're gonna wait 10 hours. Probably it's gonna come out a video of me playing Siege or Surge tomorrow or on Tuesday. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So smash the like button and subscribe with the notifications on. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.